Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video we are going to make homemade liquid soap for 20 liters. This is an updated method for 2023, and if you have been following this channel, you know last year I made a liquid soap of 5 liters, but this year I want to upgrade and make for 20 liters. So stick to this video till the end, and you are going to learn something and make it at your home. So let's go to the video directly. So guys, I have here my notes, and then I have a cooking stick, and then I have the product here. As you can see, this the product that I'm going to make using them. And then here I have my 20 liters of water and a big basin here. Okay, so for the products of making this liquid soap, first of all you need to have the gingerol. Okay guys, yeah, the gingerol. This is the gingerol. This is the ufa seed, and then this is caustic soda. This is STPP. This is the color. Then this is the perfume, and then this is the SDE. Guys, me, I don't know more about the chemicals, but for you to make this, you need to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products or 7 ingredients. Yeah, so let's start our video. Procedure number 1, guys, you also need to have the gloves, and then you have the mask on if you are asthmatic or allergic. Yeah, those are safety measures and precautions. Don't forget that, guys, because some of these chemicals are very strong and they can choke you, and if you are alone you can even collapse. So it's good to have your mask on and your gloves. And let's go direct. This video is going to be very short and very directive. So step number 1, you're going to start with gingerol. So this is our gingerol, guys. Put gingerol into your empty bucket or basin, whatever you are using. Let's put this aside. So guys, I'm just going to let it stay there and cool, and then we'll catch each other later. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is the second day, and I want to show you the result of the liquid soap that we made yesterday. So guys, this is the final result. As you can see, the foam has disappeared. So let's stop. We are going to store it here using our funnel. It's very thick, guys, and it smells so sweet. So guys, as you can see here, it is very easy and simple for you to make your own liquid salt detergent at home. And with this economy, guys, this is the way to go. Yeah, try it and tell that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and thank you so much for clicking it, liking, commenting, share, and subscribe. See you on our next video. Bye bye.